Hey everyone, is your car refusing to start, or is the clutch pedal acting strange? Maybe you scanned your car and found P0833 Clutch Pedal Switch A circuit high. This issue can cause starting problems, mess with gear shifts, and even disable cruise control. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain P0833, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0833? The P0833 trouble code appears when the ECU detects a high voltage signal from the clutch pedal switch A circuit. This switch tells the ECU when the clutch is engaged or released, which is important for smooth gear shifting and proper engine operation. Common symptoms of P0833. Car won't start unless you press the clutch multiple times. Cruise control not engaging or shutting off randomly. Difficulty shifting gears in manual transmission. Check engine light, CEL, is on engine stalling when shifting. If these issues sound familiar, let's locate the key sensors involved in this problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To fix P0833, check these critical components. Clutch pedal position, CPP. Switch A, location. Mounted on the clutch pedal assembly, under the dashboard. Function. Detects when the clutch is pressed or released and sends signals to the ECU. ECU, engine control unit. Location. Usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function. Receives signals from the clutch pedal switch and controls starting and gear shifts. Wiring harness and connectors location. Runs from the clutch pedal switch to the ECU. Function. Transfers electrical signals for clutch engagement detection. Fuse box and relays location. Located inside the cabin, driver side fuse box, or in the engine bay. Function. Provides power to the clutch pedal switch circuit. Common causes of P0833. Faulty clutch pedal switch A. A stuck or damaged switch can send incorrect voltage to the ECU. Shorted or damaged wiring. Frayed wires or loose connectors can cause incorrect readings. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A bad fuse can prevent the clutch switch from working properly. Clutch hydraulic issues. If the clutch is not fully engaging, it can interfere with the switch operation. ECU malfunction. In rare cases, the ECU may misinterpret signals from the clutch pedal switch. How to fix P0833. Step 1. Inspect the clutch pedal switch. A. Press and release the clutch to check if the switch functions properly. Replace it if necessary. Step 2. Check the wiring harness and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires near the clutch pedal. Step 3. Test the fuse box and relays. If a fuse related to the clutch pedal circuit is blown, replace it. Step 4. Check clutch hydraulic system. Make sure the fluid levels are correct and there are no leaks. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. If other codes appear, they may indicate a deeper issue. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the P0833 code and check if shifting improves. The P0833 code can cause starting and shifting issues, but by checking the clutch pedal switch, wiring, fuses, and hydraulic system, you can fix it easily. Watch these related videos next. P0532 AC refrigerant pressure sensor. Low input P0533 AC refrigerant pressure sensor. High input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.